Have you ever wondered how a lock mechanism works? Well, let's break it down and find out together. Welcome to 100 Wonders. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Let's take a look at the key parts of a lock. The rounded, U-shaped part of the lock that opens and closes is called shackle. The locking bar is a straight piece inside that locks or releases the shackle when you turn the key. There's a set of shafts, usually 5 or 6. Each shaft is divided into 3 parts: a spring, a driver pin, and a key pin. In this lock, we have 4 shafts in total. Let's see what happens when you insert a key. As you can see, the key pins are pushed up by the grooves of the key, aligning with the shear line. This glowing line here is called the shear line. This alignment allows the plug to rotate, releasing the shackle. When you rotate the key, the plug turns with it, moving the locking bar back. The spring here pushes the shackle out, unlocking the lock. When you press the shackle back, the locking bar is pulled into place, locking it again. That's how a lock works. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.